Break for mi corazón. 'Cause you see people don't really know you. They don't really know you. 'Cause you see people.
Hi guys, ako nga po pala si Rodel Philip Baldos Rojas from Base HM Ereg.
Hello guys, I am Silapan Gerald Jensi from Base HM Ereg.
Hi, this is Ramin Arvillera from BHHM Ireg.
Hello, my name is Miko Gerald Pan, BSHM1 Ereg.
My name is El Jexeles Rabonza, Base HM, Section C.
What coffee are you serving for this event, ma'am?
Ito po, menu po is Spanish latte, matcha latte, strawberry matcha latte, creamy mocha latte, and then Oreo coffee latte po.
Okay, thank you so much. Ma'am, for the second question, how do you get customer to buy for your booth?
May special strawberry matcha latte.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Lastly, what makes your coffee unique for concert goers?
Yun din lang po, yung strawberry matcha latte. And then please, guys.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. What's your name, ma'am?
My name is Juliana Miharjo.
Okay, nice to meet you, ma'am. Thank you.
Sir, kamusta po yung lasa ng product na binili niyo?
Okay lang naman, matamis, sakto lang yung lasa.
Sige po sir, salamat po. Ano ba masasabi mo sa booth nila?
Maganda din.
We always dreamed about this better life, this better life. We always felt it coming all along, yeah, all along. We got the keys to open paradise, yeah, paradise. Now let's go walking hand in hand. Paradise, make the wrong turn right. We can splash the clock, make the pop go rock. Live and love this deep, we don't need no sleep.